Welcome to KitStop's guide on how to identify the AUX cable wires for use in a Bluetooth speaker project. Tools you'll need, or we recommend, is a multimeter which can show you the ohms range. Here we're demonstrating that it will identify a complete short circuit. Next step is, with your AUX cable, strip the wires and expose the various conductors. It's not necessary to use a stripping machine like this, but it's very handy and makes it very easy. What we're demonstrating here is separating the wires. Strip a small section off the end so that we can access it with our multimeter. What we recommend is record your results as you go. It's very surprising how easily they can become confused. So we're going to start with the tip. Make sure that we are only touching the tip with one end of the multimeter. Here you can see it looks like it's the red conductor, open circuit on the other two. So make sure we record it red. Here's a trap for young players. As you try and connect to the ring, please make sure you're not touching any of the other tip or the sleeve. No, yes, blue. Ring equals blue. Finally, the easiest of the lot. Usually the sleeve is a very big part of the conductor. Testing no blue, no to the red, which is good, no contact, which we want, and it should be the white, and it is. The reason we test all the no and other ones as well, make sure we don't have any short circuits, which would have the effect of cancelling any noise. Just for what it's worth, the sleeve is usually the signal ground conductor. On the KitStop kits, that may be marked as in minus pin, or sometimes left ground or right ground, GND. Warning for young players: not all cables have the same colours inside.